Top 5 Superfoods that boost energy in seniors and stantal. Here's the tricky part. As we age, our metabolism slows down, and many seniors suffer from low energy caused by poor nutrition or inflammation. Studies show that nearly half of adults over 60 report persistent tiredness, and that constant fatigue can affect everything from mood to memory. Left unchecked, it could spiral into more serious health problems, making daily life tougher than it needs to be. No pep in your step, and even small tasks seem like mountains to climb. If you're over 60, this slow-burning fatigue might be quietly stealing your energy day by day. It's frustrating, isn't it? You want to enjoy your time, not feel like you're running on empty. But here's the good news. You don't have to settle for feeling wiped out. Nature has packed some powerful superfoods that can give your body a natural energy boost, without caffeine crashes or complicated supplements. These 5 superfoods not only fuel your body, but also support your brain and muscles, helping you feel more vibrant and alive every day. Curious which foods made the list? Some might surprise you, like tiny seeds with big power or creamy delights that fight fatigue. Stick around because number 4 is a tasty snack you'll want to add to your daily routine right now. This valuable health information and tips are being shared with you completely free. We know your 15 to 20 minutes are very precious, but spending this time watching our videos is like life insurance for you and your family. This authentic knowledge will help you live an easier and healthier life. Investing just a few minutes here is one of the best ways to protect yourself from common illnesses. If you want helpful and reliable health information delivered to you daily, please like this channel, subscribe, and press the bell icon. This way, you can stay safe from many diseases and avoid unnecessary doctor visits and expenses. Let's talk about chia seeds, one of those tiny superfoods you might overlook until your body starts craving a real energy boost. These little seeds pack a punch that can help keep you energized, sharp, and strong, especially if you're over 60. Chia seeds silently lose their spotlight in senior diets, yet they're packed with fiber, omega-3s, and antioxidants that support heart health and brain function. If you're feeling sluggish or dealing with memory fog, this could be the missing link your body needs. Here's the tricky cycle. Low fiber and omega-3s from your diet lead to inflammation and energy dips, which cause brain fog and fatigue, making it harder for your body to absorb nutrients. And the cycle just keeps going. You might notice muscle weakness, fatigue, occasional forgetfulness, or even mood swings when your body is missing out on what chia seeds provide. These symptoms often creep in slowly, so it's easy to ignore them at first. But low omega-3s and fiber don't just zap your energy. They chip away at your heart's rhythm, nerve health, and even your digestive system. Over time, this can slow down healing and make everyday tasks feel tougher. Here's what chia seeds do inside you. They boost your energy by improving how your cells make ADP, the body's energy currency, reduce inflammation, support insulin sensitivity, and protect your brain and heart with powerful antioxidants. Want to enjoy them? Try a simple chia pudding with Greek yogurt and berries for breakfast, or sprinkle them on salads and smoothies. For a fancy touch, chia-crusted salmon with lemon dill sauce is a tasty option. If you're thinking supplements, look for high-quality, organic chia powder or whole seeds. They digest easily and offer great absorption. Avoid processed chia products with added sugars that can do more harm than good. Watch out for caffeine overuse and highly processed foods, which can block your body's ability to absorb omega-3s and fiber, canceling out the good chia seeds do. You can fix this. Adding chia seeds to your diet might be the simple, natural change that gives you more energy and sharper focus every day. Please like the channel, subscribe, and press the bell icon. If you have already subscribed, thank you. Your support will motivate us. Now, let's talk about quinoa, a super versatile grain that's been quietly powering bodies for thousands of years, and it might just be the energy booster you've been missing. If you haven't tried it yet, now's the perfect time to see why it matters. Quinoa often flies under the radar, especially for seniors. But it's a complete protein loaded with fiber, vitamins, and minerals. For people over 60 who need extra support for muscle strength and heart health, quinoa can make a huge difference in how you feel day to day. Here's the tricky cycle. Low protein and fiber intake leads to muscle weakness and poor digestion, which causes fatigue and slower recovery, making it harder to stay active. And this cycle keeps dragging you down. You might notice signs like feeling weak, bloated, or dealing with slow digestion. Brain fog and low stamina can also creep in when your body lacks the nutrients quinoa provides. These symptoms can seem minor at first, but add up over time. But quinoa's benefits go deeper. A deficiency in quality protein and fiber can impact your nerves, heart rhythm, and immune system. Without enough of these, your body's repair mechanisms slow, making it tougher to bounce back from daily stress. Here's what quinoa does inside your body. It fuels muscle repair with its complete amino acids, supports a healthy gut through fiber, balances blood sugar, and helps regulate hormones that keep energy stable throughout the day. For easy meals, try quinoa salads mixed with almonds and berries, or quinoa porridge topped with Greek yogurt. For something fancier, quinoa stuffed bell peppers make a delicious, nutrient-rich dinner. If supplements are your thing, quinoa protein powder is a good option, but eating whole quinoa regularly is best for absorption and digestion. Avoid quinoa products with added salts or preservatives to keep it healthy. Beware of relying too much on refined carbs and sugary snacks. They block your body's ability to use quinoa's nutrients effectively, stealing your energy instead of boosting it. You can fix this. Adding quinoa into your meals might be the natural boost your muscles and mind need to keep you going strong every day. Let's talk about Greek yogurt. That creamy, tangy powerhouse you might already enjoy, but don't realize how much it can do for your energy and overall health, especially if you're over 60. It's more than just a tasty snack. It's a superfood packed with benefits. Greek yogurt quietly supports seniors by delivering high-quality protein and probiotics that help with muscle maintenance and gut health. If you're noticing lower energy or digestive issues, this could be exactly what your body is craving. Here's the tricky cycle. Low protein and poor gut bacteria balance, which leads to muscle loss and digestive troubles, causing fatigue and weak immunity, making it harder for your body to recover and stay energized. And the cycle keeps spinning. You might feel muscle weakness, bloating, irregular digestion, mood swings, or even brain fog when your body isn't getting enough protein and probiotics. These signs often sneak up slowly, so it's easy to miss them until they affect your daily life. But the impact of low protein and poor gut health goes beyond just feeling tired. It can damage your nerves, hormone balance, and even heart function. Over time, this imbalance can slow healing and increase inflammation. Here's what Greek yogurt does inside your body. It provides the protein your muscles need to repair and stay strong, promotes healthy gut bacteria that improve digestion and immunity, and supports hormone regulation for steady energy throughout the day. For tasty meals, try a bowl of Greek yogurt topped with chia seeds and fresh berries, or use it as a creamy base in smoothies and dressings. For a fancier twist, Greek yogurt parfaits with nuts and honey make a delicious treat. If you prefer supplements, look for probiotic-rich Greek yogurt brands without added sugars or artificial flavors to get the best benefits. Avoid flavored yogurts high in sugar that can worsen energy dips. Watch out for processed foods and excess caffeine, which can disrupt your gut health and block the benefits of Greek yogurt. You can fix this. Adding Greek yogurt to your diet could be the simple step that fuels your muscles, calms your digestion, and lifts your energy day after day. Let's talk about almonds, those crunchy little nuts that are more than just a tasty snack. If you're over 60 and feeling worn out, almonds could be the natural energy boost your body's been waiting for. Almonds matter because they're packed with healthy fats, protein, and vitamin E, all crucial for keeping your heart strong, your brain sharp, and your muscles energized. When these nutrients drop, Many seniors don't realize how much their energy and focus take a hit. Here's the tricky cycle. Low healthy fats and vitamin E lead to brain fog and muscle weakness, which cause tiredness and slower recovery, making it harder to stay active. And the cycle just keeps spinning. You might notice signs like fatigue, difficulty concentrating, muscle cramps, or even mood swings when your body isn't getting enough of what almonds provide. These symptoms often develop gradually, but can seriously affect your quality of life. But it's not just about feeling tired. Low vitamin E and healthy fats can damage your nerves, heart, and skin, and slow down how your cells repair themselves. Over time, this can affect your overall health and energy levels. Here's what almonds do inside you. They act as powerful antioxidants protecting your cells, help maintain nerve function, support hormone balance, and provide steady energy by stabilizing blood sugar levels. 4 easy meals. Snack on a handful of raw almonds. Add them to your morning oatmeal, or toss sliced almonds into salads. For a fancy treat, almond-crusted chicken or fish makes a delicious, nutrient-rich meal. If you want supplements, choose high-quality almond oil or almond protein powders for better absorption, but eating whole almonds regularly is best. Avoid heavily salted or roasted varieties that add unnecessary sodium. Watch out for sugary snacks and processed foods that drain your body's energy and block the benefits almonds offer. You can fix this. Adding almonds to your daily routine might be the simple, natural change that keeps your mind sharp and your energy flowing strong. Let's talk about berries, those colorful little bursts of flavor that do way more than just taste great. If you're over 60 and feeling drained, berries could be the tasty superfood that helps recharge your energy and protect your health. Berries quietly support seniors by being loaded with antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber, all key players in fighting inflammation and boosting brain and heart health. If you've been feeling sluggish or forgetful, berries might be the missing piece your diet needs. Here's the tricky cycle. Low antioxidants and fiber lead to increased inflammation and sluggish brain function, causing fatigue and memory lapses, which make it harder for your body to repair itself. And this cycle keeps repeating. You might notice symptoms like tiredness, poor memory, mood swings, or digestive troubles when your body lacks the nutrients berries provide. These signs often build up slowly, but can seriously impact your daily life. But berries don't just fight fatigue. They help protect your nerves, improve blood flow to your brain and heart, and support hormone balance. Over time, a shortage of these nutrients can increase your risk for chronic illnesses. Here's what berries do inside your body. They neutralize harmful free radicals with antioxidants, reduce inflammation, support healthy digestion through fiber, and improve brain signaling for better focus and mood. 4 easy meals. Add fresh or frozen berries to your morning cereal, Greek yogurt, or smoothies. For a fancy touch, try a mixed berry salad with almonds and a drizzle of honey. If you consider supplements, look for high-quality berry extracts rich in anthocyanins. But eating whole berries fresh is always best. Avoid berry-flavored products with added sugars that can do more harm than good. Watch out for processed snacks and excess alcohol, which can increase inflammation and reduce the effectiveness of berries' benefits. You can fix this. Including berries in your diet could be the delicious and natural way to boost your energy and keep your mind sharp every day. As we age, losing muscle and energy isn't just about feeling weaker. It's about holding on to your independence and living life fully on your terms. But here's the empowering truth. You have the ability to take control right now. Making smart, simple choices every day, like adding these superfoods to your diet, can help you stay strong, active, and vibrant for years to come. If you found this video helpful and want more science-backed tips to boost your health and energy, be sure to like and subscribe. We share easy, trusted advice every day to support you on your journey to feeling your best. Now, take a moment and ask yourself, what small change can you start today to feel stronger tomorrow? Are you ready to reclaim your energy and independence? Remember, It's never too late to make a positive difference in your life.